In this video, I'm going to show you how to go from this to this without surgery or hormones. Make sure to watch until the end, where I show you how to get a 10% discount on products used in this video. My name is Ghost Pop and I upload weekly videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's completely free and you can always change your mind later. Enjoy the video. It all started when I wanted to cosplay Harley Quinn for another one of my YouTube videos. The only problem is she shows cleavage and I don't exactly have a real chest. So how did I accomplish this? Well, I used a breastplate from the Breastform store. The breastplate gives the silicone illusion of boobs. This breastplate looks super realistic and is pretty comfortable. But to make sure it looks good, you have to put on makeup correctly. Let me show you how I do my cosplay makeup. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and remove my headphones, beanie, and see what I can do about my hair to get it out of my face. I'm using cat ears because I'm a stereotype. The first step is putting on my contacts. I got mine from pinkyparadise.com. I highly recommend them, where you can use my code GHOSTPOP10 for 10% off. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation, Maybelline Fit Me 102 Fair Porcelain. Remember to dab it, not wipe it. Wow, I look like a ghost. Haha, get it? Cause Ghost Pop? Moving on, next I'm gonna go ahead and put on contour using e.l.f.'s light medium contour palette. I'll start with the second darkest shade first, making lines down my jaw. Next, using the same color, let's go ahead and work on our nose. Once again, making it more small and more traditionally feminine. Then we'll use the second lightest shade around our cheekbones. Just a little bit though, so we don't highlight any masculine cheekbones. Now let's just blend that out. Next, we'll put on our NYX Born to Glow concealer. I like to do a line down my nose, a triangle point on my chin, and finally under my eyes. Now let's just blend that out. Let's go ahead and put on blush so that our nose doesn't look so protruded. I use e.l.f. Peach Blush. For cosplay purposes, you can put a lot of blush on, but if this is an everyday look, I wouldn't recommend putting too much on. Remember to get the apples of your cheeks and not along the sides so we don't, again, highlight a masculine cheekbone. That looks great. Let's go ahead and move on to the eyeshadow now. Since we're cosplaying Harley Quinn, I'm gonna use a vibrant makeup palette, Profusion Cosmetics Neon palette. Harley Quinn has light pink on the left side and light blue on the right side. Now that we've got our bright mix matching colors, let's go ahead and fill in our eyebrows. Now it's time for one of the most important parts, the eyeliner. I'm using QIC's Jewel Light Double Eyeliner Pencil. Now that I've got the eyeliner done, let's move on to the second most important part, the eyelashes. I'm using Duo Lash Glue and lashes that Pinky Paradise sent me. Thanks again. Now we just have one more step before we move on to the breastplate, which I know, that's all you really want. But this is important too. We have to put on lipstick. I'm using L'Oreal Tickled Pink 165. Finally, we've got all of our makeup on. All right, now we are in the breastplate and in the cosplay. It helps a lot if you use something like a choker to cover up the neckline here. It already matches my skin tone pretty well, but if it doesn't for you, you can actually use makeup on them. Remember, these are really high quality breastforms. Now for the final step, let's go ahead and put on our wig. Look at that. That's fucking magic, and voila. This is my completed Harley Quinn cosplay.
Right now. You're on the threshold of
To get this breastplate for yourself, make sure to use my code GHOST at thebreastformstore.com. Thanks so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bonk, bonk, bonk. You know how much these cost? Nothing for me. They're like...
one.